For the cherry, I'm going to use a red color wool and a green for the leaf, and I'm going to use a 2.75 mm hook. First make the knot. Insert the needle into the loop. And chain 4. After 4 chains, attach it with the first chain to make a circle with a slip stitch. For the second round, chain 1 and 8 double crochet into the circle. I have finished 8 double crochet. Join it to form a circle with a slip stitch. So the first row is completed. Now for the next row, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same space. And 2 double crochets in all the next 7 chains. So at the end of this row we will have 16 double crochet. So the last set of 2 double crochets, and then slip stitch to join with the first chain. Now for the third row, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same space, 1 double crochet in the next chain, two double crochets in the next chain. So the pattern for this row is going to be 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2, 1, 2, 1. So at the end of the row we will have 24 double crochets. So I have finished this row. I'm going to join it with the slip stitch in the first chain. So we are going to do one more circle exactly like this, and then we will see how to do the leaf. So fasten off here and do another circle. So I have made two cherries now. One is bigger than this one, is bigger than this one, because I didn't want both to look exactly the same. So this row is only of slip stitch. The last row is only of slip stitch. So in each chain I have done a slip stitch so that it looks bigger than this one. Now we can start doing the leaf. For the leaf I'm going to take green color and attach it with one of the cherries anywhere. Okay, so first let's make the chain knot. Okay, make the knot and then chain 20. 1, 2, 19, and the 20th one we are going to join it with this cherry. Join it with a slip stitch and fasten off. So now we are going to do the leaf. So the leaf we are going to do it over here, leaving like 2 or 3 chains in the beginning. So take the equal halves. So we have done 20 chains, so 10 10, or just measure it into 2, and I'm going to connect the thread here. So I'm going to take it in through both the rows in any one of the chains, and then bring the thread on the other side. Bring the thread on the other side and make a slip stitch. Okay. And now we are going to do the leaf. So for the first leaf, we are going to chain 10. And from the in the 8th chain, make a DC. 7th chain, make a half treble. And then a treble. In the next 4 chains. Then a half treble in the next chain. And a double crochet in the last chain. And slip stitch in the beginning. Turn the leaf to the opposite side and make one chain. First a double crochet. Now we are going on the opposite side. We are working on the opposite side of the leaf. So a double crochet, a half treble, and 4 trebles. And then a half treble, and a double crochet. So now I'm going to slip stitch in the last chain and I'm going to fasten off. Okay. So now the cherry is done with a leaf. So once you take care of these threads, it will look a lot more better. So I'm going to do that and come back and show you. So this is how your cherry looks after it is completed. Like, share and subscribe if you like the videos and the tutorials. Bye bye.